Hi all. Today, I'm going to show you a handy trick to save time on your computer. Are you familiar with the keyboard shortcut CTRL+V? It's a magic code that allows you to paste content you've copied before. Whether it is a text, an image or link, you just need to select where you want to paste your content. Press the CTRL+V keys and you're done. This shortcut is especially useful when you want to copy text from a web page into a Word document.
Like what?
To use it, make sure to copy the content first by pressing Ctrl+C. Then select where you want to paste this content and finally press Ctrl+V. You'll see your content appear instantly. So, feel free to use this shortcut to save time and make your computer work more efficient. Good use.